Hello, water signs. So this is your bonus reading. This is Mercury retrograde in Taurus, no? Nandito po tayo sa season ngayon. And this is a quick guide, no? Or quick reading when it comes to romance. Idadissect po natin yung singles. Meron siyang quick reading. Mutual relationship, meron siyang quick reading. In a relationship, so, ibig sabihin wala pang kasal, pero meron ng relationship couples, may kasal na, in separations, no? Titignan din natin yung mga naghiwalay. I-discuss din po natin yung mga sa jobs and finances. So, for those who are looking for job, for those who are seeing or looking for promotion, and for those looking for increases, no, or taas ng sahod. When it comes to general, this might be a general reading also doon sa mga agam-agam natin sa buhay gustong gawin. We will also discuss your lucky number and your lucky color. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit that notification bell po para ma-notify tayo every time tayo gumagawa ng live reading, no? Or nagre-release ng bagong reading. Kung gusto nyo ng live sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience, no? So again, this is general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or bits and pieces of it. Let's start sa single. Single. Ready, no? Pero sino? So, ganyan. Singles, ready tayong makipagrelasyon. Pero, kanino natin ibibigay ang puso? Pwedeng ready ka na nga pero wala pang nanliligaw. Ready ka na nga o wala ka pang napupusuan. No? Meron ng mga nakapaligid. Pero kasi ang nga sa'yo, madami ka pang question, madami ka pang gustong malaman sa tao, marami ka pang gustong malaman din sa sarili mo. Pwedeng gusto mong mag-explore. The Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Wands, and the Hangman. So parang kahit merong tao dyan, baka sinasabi mo na, pwede ko ba siyang pagkatiwalaan? Meron ka ng trauma with the Five of Pentacles dahil doon naiwan ka nga from the past. So nakikita ko naman with the Nine of Pentacles and the Temperance, sinasabi nito na try, do not procrastinate. Pwede ka naman mag-try, huwag mo lang ibigay ng buong buo, pero nakikita ko with the Four of Wands, baka ito na yung hinahanap mo, no? So try to explore, yun ang sinasabi sa ating singles. How about doon po sa may mga mutual understanding? So which means walang label, pero nagkakamabutihan na, no? With the Devil card, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. Oops, maghinay-hinay po tayong ibigay ang ating puso masyado, no? Kasi nakakita ko ng control. I'm not seeing a good sign on this. The Seven of Swords and the Ten of Swords. Naku, baka either kakabreak lang nito or you are in a third-party situation, no? Baka kaya ganon, no? With the Six of Cups, the Fool card, and the Queen of Wands. Ang sinasabi po sa inyo dito, ang advices, no, or ang advice this season is kausapin yung mabuti. Kasi lalo na kung bago-bago to, or kung meron kayong age gap, no, kausapin yung mabuti, make it clear, kasi I don't like the energy na baka papunta kayo sa third-party situation nang hindi nyo sinasadya, no? So, ingat-ingat po doon sa may mutual relationship or mutual understanding. So how about doon na sa meron ng relasyon pero hindi pa kinakasal? No, sa mga may relasyon na hindi pa kinakasal, I feel like this is going to be elevated into something really serious, no? I feel like in the past, medyo masungit ang tao, no? In the past, medyo ayaw niya na nag-share ng information. Pero nakikita ko, things are changing. Nagiging vocal na siya. Nakikita ko na patungo ito na investment sa'yo. I feel like ito na yung time para, kung kumbaga sinasabi niya sa sarili niya, I need to put this connection into another level of commitment, no? So makikita mo yung investment niya sa iyo. It could also be money. Probably binibigyan ka niya ng money, time, energy, effort, or gifts, no? So makikita mo yung changes this season. So congratulations. So how about doon sa mga couples, may anak, basta kinasal? We're not talking about kung anong religion yan, kung paano sila kinasal, basta kinasal, no? Or sabihin natin meron ng mga anak, no? With the Three of Wands, the Two of Wands, and the Two of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko naman, maganda yung drive ng connection kasi merong isang taong focus, no? When it comes to the connection, yung relasyon mismo. I think that ito yung sabihin natin tao na merong experience na from the past, no? I think nagkaroon kayo dito ng challenges, pwede nagkahiwalay kayo para hindi na maulit, no? Someone is really focused on the connection and you're doing a good job, whoever that is, no? Nakikita ko dito the world card, things are changing at pabuti ng pabuti ang relasyon nyo. There's no perfect relationship, so mabuti nga at nagkakaroon kayo ng chance para ayusin ang mga problema. So, take advantage of that situation, no? Be very vocal. Also, ipaliwanag mo din kung bakit ginagawa, no? Pero nakikinig naman. So, congratulations dun sa mga couples. Things are getting better or best actually. How about doon sa mga couples in separation? So, meron ng separation, whether it is physical or energetic, no? With the Seven of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. Nakom nasa options na. Siguro kaya hindi siya masyadong sumasagot ngayon because someone is already exploring, no? And I feel like nagkakaroon na dito ng inisan or naiinis na yung isang tao kasi less na yung nakukuha niya. Bakit kamo? Kasi I feel like the person is already exploring with the Five of Cups in here na parang siguro may isa dito nagsisisi bakit, hinayaan ko siyang gawin ang mga bagay-bagay, no? Instead of love, may namumutong galit, no? Ayan po ang aking nakikita dito. So, let's move forward sa mga jobs and finances for those people who are actually looking for job. So, for those people who are looking for job, the High Priestess, the Five of Pentacles, and the Nine of Pentacles. Nako, sundin nyo yung kutob nyo na kung kailangan nyo mag-apply doon, go ahead. Hindi nyo kailangan magdalawang isip, wala namang masama, no? Di kung tatawagan kayo. Kung hindi, di hindi, no? It's alright to take chances. Sa panahon ngayon, nakikita ko dito, kailangan yung sumugal, no? Wala namang masama, no? Magpasa lang kayo ng resume with the Nine of Pentacles. Isa doon sa pwedeng sinasabi yung feeling nyo na hindi ka masyadong pinapansin o hindi mo pinapansin kasi baka sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, ay, ano to sa akin, mukhang malabo akong makuha. Don't. Go ahead, no? Walang masama. Doon po sa mga umaasa for promotion, the Temperance, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Five of Wands. Napakadaming competition, no? Equally great ang nakikita ko dito. Pero sinong nagwawagi? Ikaw pa rin. Nakikita ko dito, you're gonna be, parang may apprenticeship, no? It might not be the actual promotion, but apprenticeship is here. So, titingnan, do your best, titingnan yung galing mo. So, do your best. Doon po sa mga looking for increases. Ayan. Sa increase, pwedeng may latency or delayed lang. Pero yung increase na makukuha ninyo, either 6 to 8% ng salary, yun po ang makukuha within this season. And congratulations kasi this is a wish fulfillment. So tingnan natin in general, no, kung ano ang message para sa inyo. In general, no, for water signs in general. The Judgment, the Hangman, and the Knight of Swords. So, ang nakikita ko dito, maging meticuloso sa mga bagay-bagay, no? I think na kumilos din tayo, wag puro isip, no? I think that we are being consumed by our procrastination. Make a decision. With the Seven of Wands, the Two of Swords, the Ace of Wands. So, gawin mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng puso. I feel like hindi ka ililigaw nito with the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. I feel like masyado tayong nagiging sa sobrang pagkametikuloso. Medyo tinatanong natin, um, ma- pinapangunahan natin kasi pinipreempt natin, magsasucceed ba ako dito or not. If this is your passion, do whatever it takes na gawin mo siya. And I feel like everything is going to follow, especially when it comes to finances, it's gonna follow. No? So your lucky number is number 21. And your lucky color is blue. No? So yan po ang inyong reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading, sa kabilang channel po yung Babaylan TV. No? So maraming salamat po. Kung meron kayong questions, sa comment section po, no? Love and light, namaste, and see you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye.